Self-realization means getting complete knowledge. Then from where to get complete knowledge? At present we are having this thought and idea. Knowledge is in the textbook, or knowledge is what is research is done by scientists, like technical knowledge, medical knowledge, so many things. This is the important point. The knowledge means something else. What is the meaning of knowledge? In reality, whatever we feel within head to toes, within these changes, these are the knowledge what we have to get. Other knowledge what we read in the book, that is called information, as a hard drive or anywhere you are able to store that information. In the same way, this body is having power to store information. When you read a book, you see after sometimes we forget. Exactly in the same way, when we are storing information, if we do not care hard drive or something happens, you bring the hard drive with a strong magnet, all information disappears. Therefore, body is moving along with the different magnetic field. Plants are magnet, animals are magnet, human being is big magnet. Therefore, all informations, whatever we store here, what we read in physics, chemistry, medical, engineering, any other subject, that information we store within head to toes, and due course of time we forget it, because we are walking along with the magnetic power with the person A to Z. Therefore, when we are in contact with the other person, that information starts disappearing. You cannot keep yourself isolated, but from distance also we get magnetic power. For example, Mahatar Babaji, Lahiri Maharshi, Jesus Christ, Krishna Bhagwan, they exist everywhere. That is the highest magnetic zone, and we are in that zone. Therefore, whatever we read, whatever we study, we do forget. Then what is the self-realization? To get all kind of knowledge, how to get it and how to store it, how to remember it. The knowledge, everything what we feel within head to toes, in the form of head to toes, in the form of various changes within, that is the knowledge you have to get. How to get it? We have to concentrate on it and keep on concentrating on it until you feel joy. Suppose that we are awake in the morning, we feel laziness, so many things, we feel very inactive, very tired. Evening we feel very tired, sometimes due to some thoughts, some ideas or some work we feel very tired. Then what happens? It means we are not able to now assimilate that knowledge. Because we feel tiredness means we find that knowledge is tough, is hard for me. Then you have to accept that knowledge. And how to accept it? That is the Kriya Yoga meditation, concentration on a spiritual aura present around Bhumadhya, concentration on breath, on holy vibration, on head to toes, as we are doing with recharging, with many techniques. Keep on doing it until you feel joy with those changes. The moment you feel joy, yes, now I like it, it is very nice, I feel it is very good. Now the same tiredness we feel very good. Same humidity we feel very good. Same heat waves we feel very good. Same cold waves we feel very good. Or when we are standing longer, what we feel, it is very good. When we are working, what we feel is very good. This is the knowledge what we need, and we have it all the time. When we have it all the time, then how to get it? Keep on concentrating on head to toes more and more, and accept all changes more and more. In due course of time, you will find that you start enjoying it. The moment you start enjoying it, now you have the knowledge. Now whatever you will work, better than before. But keep on reading a book. After reading so many years, what practical knowledge we get? Very little. But in this, what we feel within head to toes, keep on concentrating on it, love it more and more, love it more and more. Whatever knowledge we feel that we are assimilating, we are becoming one with that knowledge. This is what self-realization explains. This is the what technique we are practicing. Suppose that you find pain somewhere in any part. Okay, all right. Concentrate on that pain as well as concentrate on head to toes, as well as concentrate on breath, on spiritual aura. Along with that, you will find taste is changing. When we are having any stress, in distress, in pain or any problem, we like very simple thing to eat. When everything is changing, have no confusion. Or you are losing the weight because you are not liking the food, this and that. Why you are not liking? We feel pain. When we are feeling pain, then what's problem? There is no taste in the food. Then try to change the food. Have more simple food. Oh, we are eating it, therefore we are losing the weight. Let it be, don't worry. You see the plant, they lose all leaves. Again, green leaves are there. You see the plant, when we transplant plant from one place to another, you find that whole plants become dry almost. But still, it start becoming green and become big tree. Therefore, what temporary phase we realize, lack of hunger, reduction of weight, whatever is there, that is all temporary. It is not the permanent. Keep on practicing it. Concentration on head to toes. Love all changes more and more. In due course of time, you will realize what is the real knowledge. Moment you get real knowledge, then you will realize what is the omnipotent power, what is eternal peace, what is bliss. Keep on concentrating on head to toes. Within this knowledge, you will find past is linked. Past life is linked. Future life is linked. Then do not try to know the past. Ultimately, past will be revealed. Do not try to know the future. Ultimately, future will be revealed. Within these changes, whatever we feel, heaviness, lightness, comfort, discomfort, pain and pleasure, there exists complete presence of past, this now moment and future. Therefore, what is only one work? All the time, keep on increasing awareness of head to toes. Try to feel it more and more. Appreciate all changes more and more. Feel it more and more. Then try to create habit, how to feel while working and resting. Then you will find, yes, life is so peaceful. Life is so joyful. You cannot imagine. This is the things which is very important. Now, what is the most important thing? Just keep on practicing it. This is called practicing presence of knowledge. One example, you can know that Paramahansa Yogananda only achieved a hair borderline of pass mark because his guru ordered that you have to complete the graduation before going to USA. And it is not essential that he should get university degree because he has to pass the time and he's having a lot of potential. Therefore, Sri Tisagri engaged him. You have to complete this, you have to do this, you have to clean the kitchen, you have to wash the dishes, you have to cook the food, you have to do so many administrative work. And already he was in great height of his spirituality, but he was not realizing he was in great height. It took some time. The moment he got realized the state, then he opened his school, then Rachi came, then he went to USA. Therefore remember, head to toes, what you feel is presence of everything. You should not worry about anything. Concentration on head to toes, feel it more and more. Whatever we realize, whatever we feel is presence of all in all. This is the most important point. Now what we have to do? Just when you are standing, when you are sitting, when you are walking, working or resting, whatever, our attention should be more and more on head to toes. If you feel tiredness, it means now this knowledge is tough for us, then how to get it? Concentrate on that tired stage and love it. Do not say tiredness. Then how to love quickly? Then fix your gaze upward. Concentrate on a spiritual aura. At the same time, concentrate on breath. At the same time, feel head and spine. Just be with the different techniques. In due course of time, you will find, oh, that tiredness is bliss. Sometimes you feel, when you are feeling, oh, this is very hard, this is very hard. Do not worry. Just keep on practicing. Concentration on head to toes. Accept it more and more. Feel it more and more. Just keep on doing it. Then what you will realize, when keep on doing, what you will realize, the most important thing, that the same hot perception now, oh, it is very nice. I feel very cool. I feel very good. This is what you will realize. But do not just ignore perception of tiredness. Try to enjoy it. Try to accept it. This is the whole philosophy behind self-realization. You will find many professors, they did PhD and they become great writer. They got Nobel Prize also in literature, in science and technology. Still, they do not feel bliss and joy because they do not have complete knowledge what they want. They got a portion of it. When you get portion of it, you feel half. You feel divided. You don't feel complete. Then how to get complete? And this is head to toes. Concentrate on it more and more. Just practice it more and more. This is the important point. This is a very, very important point. You have to do it.